You're watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da. All right, today I'm going to show you how we measure angles on delta math assignments. All right, here's one where this is measuring angles with a protractor. All right, what you have to do, follow the directions. It says move the protractor using the central blue dot. See the central blue dot right here? You're going to move it to this yellow dot, and you'll see it'll click in. See that click? Now you can kind of click and drag the whole picture to the middle if you want. Okay. Now you take this green dot here and move it to that line. It's got to sit right on the line there. See how it just clicks into place like that? Okay. Now make it so the other arrow is right on the line. Now, if you can, make your screen bigger so you can see. Okay, this here is 70 degrees, right? So here's 71, 72, 73 degrees. All right. You'll get it wrong if you say 87 degrees, right? This is definitely 71 to 73 degrees. Okay. So we put 73. Yes. Okay. Let's do another one. All right. Once again, I'm going to move the blue dot to the yellow dot. And it's going to click into place. And then I'm going to move this green dot onto the line. This makes no sense to put it here. So I'm going to go to this line here. It'll click into place. I'm going to move it to the center. I'm going to make my screen bigger. Now I can see, since 0 is over here, right, then this is going to be 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95 degrees. Okay. So my answer will be 95 degrees. I'm wrong. Why am I wrong? Oh, I was off by a few degrees. Let's look more carefully. It's 97 degrees. Sorry. All right. So I put in 97 degrees. There you go. Okay. Try one more. All right. Take the blue dot, drag it to the yellow dot. Then put the green dot on the line here. Okay. And since up here is 0, right, this is going to be 60, 61, 2, 3, 4. This will be 64 degrees. Okay. There you go. Okay. Now, let's take a look here. This one is drawing angles, okay? It says click and drag the yellow circle, that's here, in a counterclockwise direction to create a 161-degree angle within 10 degrees. So I'm going to click and hold and drag 161. If this is 135 and this, and this is 180, 161 is probably somewhere in the middle, right about there. I have to be within 10 degrees. I'm going to try that answer. And I got it within 10 degrees. I put 155.5. That was pretty good. All right. Let's try another one. 16 degrees. That's really small, right? So I'm going to go right about there to make 16 degrees. Let's see how I did. Okay. I only did 8 degrees, but I was still within 10. Okay. So you got to be within 10 degrees. Let's do one more here. 93 degrees. That's pretty good because I just got to go to 90. If I just went to 90, I'll definitely be correct. But I'll try a little more just to see how I do. And I did 93.1. Ooh, that was pretty good. All right. That's how you do drawing angles level 1. Now there's level 2. Look at what level 2 is. In level 2, they don't give you anything. So it says here, create a 20-degree angle within 10 degrees. Okay. So I'm going to go right about there. Let's see how I did. I got credit, so I got to 17.8. So that's pretty good. Let me try another one. 152 degrees. All right, let's see how I do here. So if this is 90 right here, maybe 100, 180 is all the way here, right? So I'm going to go maybe about here. See how I do. This is a tougher one. Oh, I did okay. I went to 154.5. Keep in mind, the way I do this, you get unlimited number of chances to get it right. Okay. So never give up. Okay, let me try one more. 71 degrees. Let's see how I do here. All right. So again, if 90 is here, I'm going to go about here for 71. Let's see. All right. I did 65.9, but it was within 10. Okay, that's level 2 for drawing angles. Now, the next one is estimate within 10 degrees. You got to guess what this angle is and be correct within 10 degrees. I'm going to guess that it's if this is 90 straight up and down, I'm going to say this is a little less than half of that. Maybe 42 degrees. Let's see how I do. All right. It was 36 degrees. Okay. It was within 10. So there we go. Let's try another one. How about this? This one is more than 90. It's probably more than 100. I'm going to go with 120. See how I do. 120. I'm wrong. It was over 130. All right. Let me try another one. How about this one? This is going to be about 160. Let's see. Nope, not 160. 146. I went too high. All right. I gotta try again. Notice that even I'm not gonna be perfect at this, right? How about here? This is a little less than 90. This will be about 80. Wrong again. It was a lot less. 63. Okay. So that was 63. This is probably 60. Oh, 58. Okay. That's how you do those problems. And then there's one more like this. This one, it doesn't start at the bottom, right? Meaning it's any random angle. This is almost a straight line. So 180 would be a straight line. I'm going to say 165. Right? 159. That was good. Okay. Let's try another one. This is a little more than 90. I'm going to go with 100. See how I go there. 100. I was wrong. It was 111. I needed another 10 degrees. All right. This one is pretty big. This is more than 90. So I'm going to try with 130. Oh, I'm wrong there too. 144. All right, I've been guessing low, so let me guess a little higher on my guesses. For example, this one I would have maybe guessed 80. So I'm going to try with 90. No, not 90. I'm going to try 85. Okay, that's good. Oh, it was 85 exactly. Let me try one more. All right, here. All right, I would have guessed 110, so I'm going to try 120. Good. It was 123. All right, 110 wouldn't have worked. And that's how you do estimating angle measures. All right. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da.